In this segment, we're going to go over the universe, shapes, and models. Let's go over the possible shapes to the universe. The three possible shapes to the universe are spherical, flat, and saddle. A spherical shape looks like a basketball, as shown here in this diagram. The curvature is a positive curvature. The next possible shape to the universe is flat. Think of a piece of paper. Since a piece of paper is flat and not curved, the curvature of a flat shape is 0. The third possible shape to the universe is a saddle shape. Think of a saddle on a horse, or think of a potato chip. The curvature of a saddle is negative. Now let's look at model universes. One possible model to the universe is a closed universe. A closed universe is closed because the universe curves back on itself. The ant located on the spherical universe could walk all the way around the spherical universe and come back in on itself. Hence, the spherical shaped universe is a closed universe. The spherical shaped universe is finite. It's not infinite, doesn't extend infinitely. It's closed, so it's finite. And notice there is no edge. You can't find an edge to this shape of universe. Another possible model to the universe is an open universe, as the universe does not curve back on itself. Now, both the flat and the saddle shapes to the universes are considered open. These type shapes do not curve back on themselves. Let's look at the flat-shaped universe. If you extend the corners out in all directions, it will continue to move out as a flat sheet. Therefore, the flat shape has no edge, and it continues infinitely. You can extend this piece of paper out infinitely, and it'll never curve back in on itself. Therefore, it is an infinite universe. It has no edge. Now let's look at the saddle shape. The saddle-shaped universe is also open. If you extend the corners of the saddle shape, they won't loop in and connect to each other. They continue moving away from each other. Therefore, the saddle shape is also infinite, and there is no edge. You won't run into an edge. Now, if you can't find an edge to a universe, then you can't find the center of the universe. In all three examples of possible shapes, we don't have an edge. Therefore, we don't have a center. So notice in all three cartoons that we have an ant that is crawling on a surface. So in the closed model of the universe, we have an ant, and the ant is walking around on the surface. The universe is the surface of the round object here, the spherical object. So you can't say that the center of the round object is the center of the universe for this particular spherical shape. Same thing with the flat shape. If you look at the ant on the flat shape, the ant is walking on the flat shape. And since the ant will not find an edge to the universe because the universe can keep extending in all directions, then there won't be a center anywhere that the ant will find. Same thing with the saddle shape. If you look at the saddle shape, it doesn't matter which way the ant goes, all the corners extend out, and so the surface of the shape of the potato shape is the universe, and it never connects or links back in on itself. So the potato shape or saddle shape is infinite. And once again, there is no edge to it. It just keeps on going. So therefore, if there's no edge, there's no center. So there are two models to the universe, closed and open, and there are three possible shapes to the universe: spherical, flat, and saddle.